Nestled in the urban fabric of Sao Paulo, Atelier and Residence EA is a unique hybrid space designed for both living and creating. Conceived by AMZ Arquitetos, this 2023 project blurs the boundaries between home and artistic studio, offering a calm yet deeply functional environment tailored to the everyday life of a visual artist. Its design reflects a careful dialogue between privacy, openness, and the rhythm of creative work. The concept begins with a simple goal: to give the atelier its own independence while maintaining a fluid connection to the residents. During the week, the studio functions as an isolated creative sanctuary. But on weekends and during gatherings, it seamlessly integrates with the social spaces of the home, forming a continuous architectural narrative that adapts to the artist's lifestyle. Respecting the natural topography of the site, the architects organized the program across multiple levels. The atelier sits at the highest point of the lot, commanding presence and natural light. Half a level below, the social spaces open toward the landscape. And half a level above, tucked away for privacy, lies the residential wing. This subtle terracing allows each function to feel distinct yet interconnected. Inside, the heart of the project is a vertical circulation atrium that ties the home and atelier together. It acts as both a transitional space and a gentle connector, ensuring the artist can move fluidly between personal life and creative work. Light filters softly through the atrium, giving the entire interior a sense of vertical openness. Outside, a flooded garden introduces tranquility and separation between the two main volumes. Its reflective surface creates moments of stillness within the urban context, while also serving as a visual buffer. Yet, transparency across the facades ensures that both buildings remain visually linked, allowing the full depth of the elongated lot to be perceived from multiple angles. The spatial experience is defined by two types of walls working in harmony. Long, opaque surfaces run the length of the structure and serve as functional display areas for canvases, both during production and as part of the artist's collection. In contrast, the transverse glass facades bring daylight deep into the interior and allow cross-ventilation throughout the day, reinforcing the studio's connection to nature. To bring this design to life, the architects relied on a mixed prefabricated construction system. Concrete block gables rise directly from the foundations, receiving metallic profiles that support wooden slabs for the floors and the roof. This hybrid structure ensures durability while maintaining a light and versatile framework suited to both living and working. One of the most striking choices is the decision to leave all construction elements and hydraulic systems exposed. Rather than hiding the building's anatomy, AMZ Arquitetos celebrates it, echoing the raw honesty of an artist's studio. The result is a residence that feels authentic, adaptable, and deeply connected to the creative process, embodying the spirit of a home where art and life coexist seamlessly.